really exciting that the Light Festival is coming back up to PSU, because it was at PSU that we held a light symposium. And at that light symposium, met a lot of really creative people, including Chris Herring and Jean Margaret Thomas, who came up to me after that event and said, we should create a light festival for Portland.
200 panels here. Each panel has 120 LEDs, and we have 10 of these control boxes, which are newly weatherized and rebuilt for the Winter Lights Festival.
And there was some heavy lifting at first to get that off the ground. Marianne Zarkin, a landscape architect, helped kind of bring some momentum. And we finally met the folks from the Willamette Light Brigade. And they're a nonprofit organization. For the last 25 years, they've been lighting Portland's bridges. And they became our parent organization. And that's when we really took off. That's when the energy came along and we really were able to get the festival off the ground.
We have a lot of art. We have a lot of incredible people working on it. And it's actually going really well. It's the most calm we've all been of any festival. And over here is Michael Talik's piece. It's about 25 feet tall.
This is where there is light, there is shadow. And each of these sandbags represents a large 6-foot tall light pod that weighs around 20 pounds, and which we'll be placing in pretty soon.
From the very beginning, we had an idea of having a footprint on the east and west side. And then last year, we were able to put a footprint on the west side at the World Trade Center under the plaza with silent disco and our projections and various art pieces. This is where Fleeting is going to be. I don't know how she's going to configure, if it's going to be like this or it's going to be like this.
I'm a glass artist here in Portland, and we're under the Hawthorne Bridge. It's the downtown side, and it's studying a project called Flight, which is 150 glass paper planes.
The Light Festival is a people's festival, and it's about Portland re-identifying to what the city can be in the dead of the winter when it's gray and we're aching for some light, and so it's to celebrate light as a community.
All the families that come out here, they're so amazed to be part of something like this. And it's not exclusive.
We're a nonprofit and we do this thing and we spend a lot of time on it and we do it for nothing, but it always costs something. So I really want people to realize that they can go online and they can go to our website, pdxwlf.com, and donate and just help us out.